Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching financial news on Insta TV. Crude oil prices are back to the levels seen at the beginning of the year, but the market is still unsettled. There are certain prerequisites for further reduction. Libya took control over oil fields occupied by rebels and is preparing to restore production. In addition, a new round of talks with Iran could result in cancellation of sanctions on exports. All of this will lead to a significant increase in oil supply on the world market. Today, crude oil futures benchmarks are following a downtrend.
Американская WTI снижается.
The US light sweet crude has lost 0.15% by now and is trading below the key level of $104 per barrel. We can assume that if West Texas Intermediate crude oil does not go above $104 a barrel, it may fall to the support level of $103.50, and a fall below this level can lead to further decline to $101.50 in the near future.
50 центов уже в ближайшей перспективе.
Brent crude is also ticking down. The European benchmark has lost about 0.5% and fell again below the key level of $110 per barrel. However, there are still high risks of price growth. Since the start of this year, we have seen twice how geopolitics has become the key factor for oil futures. Investors bought crude oil for fear of supply disruptions, first due to the crisis in Ukraine, then in Iraq with its ongoing fights, which means that new market fluctuations are possible. Meanwhile, experts from the Bank of America Merrill Lynch calculated that if the price of Brent rises by 10%, this will be a severe blow to the economy of China, the second largest oil importer in the world. China's GDP growth was below the trend in the first quarter of the current year, rising to 7.4% only. Experts predicted that the rate will remain at the same level in the second quarter as well, but it will be able to accelerate during the following 3 months. High prices for oil may curb the economic growth in China, and that will affect many other countries. According to experts, if Islamist rebels seize Baghdad, North Sea Brent will appreciate $10–15. If the rebels gain control over the oil fields, quotes can spike up by $40–50. However, both scenarios are unlikely for now. Follow the latest financial events with InstaForexx. Goodbye.